Welcome to Information Processing 2080, Spreadsheet 2. Instructional Lesson 2.1.3, Hide and Unhide Columns and Rows. So if we're setting up the spreadsheet, especially a spreadsheet, sometimes we'll have intermediate columns. You might have one set of data here. Say you're trying to build a lab report for physics. You might have your raw data for X and Y, and then other calculations for intermediate steps that you don't want to publish. So let's say you have your raw X, your published X, raw Y, and published Y. So if you were doing this in the real world, you wouldn't necessarily publish the raw data. So you can right-click on that and hide the column. And you could right-click here and hide column. Now to unhide, you could just tap that arrow that has appeared to show you that there's columns hidden. You could highlight the whole space to unhide columns, and that unhides both at once. You could do the same thing over here, where you decide, yeah, you don't like Henry Pym, so you're going to hide that row. And then we can unhide them the same way by clicking on those little arrows to show that we can expand it. So this is how we hide and unhide columns and rows in Google Sheets.